traction control, engine braking.
What year is this?
This is a 20.
20. All right. What's this? 1199.
No, this is the
V2.
Yeah.
All right. Oh, I see it over here.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad.
So basically, it has 3 different modes. Like
What power modes?
Yeah. Like if I go to let me go to menu. All right, menu.
All right.
Rider mode, right?
This is crazy. This is like a video game,
Yeah,
man.
it has race mode. So if I go to the engine, I can control the engine. Full power.
Yeah.
You know, I can reduce the power. Also to
This the future, man.
Yeah, man. Sport mode. Same thing. Engine. You can control the tires, the power.
All right. How about the engine brake? You can control it on this too.
Engine
All right.
braking, yeah. With engine braking, you can control the numbers. So let me see.
All right.
Engine braking, medium.
But you're leaving it on stock for now.
Right now I have it on. Right now I have it on street mode.
Yeah, because you see the engine brake, I depend on it on my bike, you know, just to kind of get me out of trouble, like when we're coming up. So yeah.
If I wanted to go on low, reduce power, smooth engine, or dynamic, you know, just get the full range of it.
Yeah. You gotta
right
take a class to learn how to use it. Yeah.
You gotta read the manual before you begin on the traction control. I can put it in the front.
Oh wow, you can independently control.
Yeah, I can put it on wet. When I go on the track, I can put it on track mode.
Got it.
Right now, I have it on 6.
6.
Yeah.
Is that the least intrusive, or that's
no,
the?
Actually, it goes all the way down to 1.
And he's like doing the button and stuff too.
Yeah, so, I mean, it's pretty cool. Right now, again, I have it on 6. So.
All right, and then
the 7 is the highest. 7 is the highest, but 1 is the least. I can turn it off completely if I want.
Oh man, and it has the single-sided swing arm.
Also, it has this angle control. So when I'm on an angle, the ABS kick in at a certain, you know, like with the.
Oh, that's the new Busa. Like adopted that from bikes like this. So
ABS as well. I can take it to the front, or I can take it to the back. Track mode, road mode, street. I can actually adjust it from safety to the best performance to take it off right now. Right now, I have it on safety.
All right.
So I don't kill myself.
All right. Good.
Wheelie control. What's DWC? Ducati wheelie control?
Yeah, this is like Kawasaki and the KRT, KRTC. So.
Engine braking control. I can also control the max brake, minimum brake.
Yeah.
Like you go on the track and just take it off, man. Back.
I'm sure you can do presets for the track, so you can go one to. All right.
At 50 miles per hour.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Got it. All right. Man. It got. Oh yeah. You know what? Does it have auto blipping with rev matching on that? All right. All right. Built-in quick shifter.
Or your very, very close.
This is the V, folks. All right. All right, we'll give a shout out to Motorcycle Mode for taking care of you with that. Shout out to Ricardo over there and all that. I want to see this on the. Of course. That's my man, you know. So.
Ricardo, he's a good dude, man.
All right, cool. That's a shameless plug for these guys, but I love that Ducati red. It's good stuff, man. I can't wait to see you on the track with it when we go to Poconos and all that good stuff.
Oh yeah.
All right, folks. Hey, there you have it. Just most of the time was spent on the TFT, hitting all the controls and stuff. But good stuff. Thank you for the time, brother.
Thank you.
One of our Night Rider members having some fun out here in New Hope, PA. We'll see y'all later. bike, blast from the past, with a whole new schematic. So we got Mr. Mike over here, and we're doing a follow-up. Ordinarily this doesn't happen on the channel, but yes, this will be a first. But with that being said, I will say cosmetically this bike has been transformed.
And then I ended up adding some
I have that
spec.
Yeah, tech spec has some good skin.
Love them.
All right.
Love them.
Yeah, they have the best grip of any tank grip that I had so far.
And
I see you have the cramp buster on there.
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
I do miles.
Oh, okay.
I got a lot of miles. I got about lots of.
And it's looking brand new.
Have been
Oh,
released.
yes.
Let's leave it at that.
Yes, I will say that. But the last time you saw this bike, this guy had how many miles on it?
I think it was like 25,000.
All right, so just to pass the key, let's see where we're at here. He's riding the dog piss out of this vehicle. Look at this. 50,160 miles just getting here to New Hope.
More later on.
Yeah, I know. You know what? You did the valve adjustment and all that?
I did.
All right. You know, I'm gonna give a shout out to Absolute Cycle, Steve, and Arthur for working their magic for this guy.
Actually, that was through that was Satch.
Satch?
Satch Cycles ended up doing the actual valve adjustment.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Steve just gave me the good price.
Hey, again, check out Absolute Cycle in Rahway, New Jersey. This bike looks, I didn't even know, I thought this was Arthur's bike, but I forgot he sold it.
Yeah.
So,
he actually has a 675, I believe.
Yes, yes. Okay. But treat this bike good, man, before we get on your case, but it's all love, man. So we'll see it at the track this season.
Definitely.
So make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Any shout outs you want to give to your peoples before? I don't want you to get in trouble.
All right, so my people of Gotham, hello Gotham. What's up, Ronnie?
Yeah.
What's up, T?
Yeah.
I also
Shout out to Jamie.
Of course, Jamie. He actually is trying to get his own MC or RC or I don't know.
All right.
He's off branching off to that.
All right. Hey, growing, branching. That's all I just said. All right. Good stuff.
Mods onto this flashed. It ended up having a
Who flashed it?
Schnitz.
Schnitz? Okay.
All from Steve. Thank you, Steve.
Oh, okay.
And new plastics. I ended up getting a titanium headers.
Okay.
Which were from Brave.
Oh, so now you have a complete system.
I have a complete system now.
All right, good stuff, good stuff. All right, well, hey, you're gonna see it again, folks. Thank y'all for watching. Rate, comment, subscribe.
Right on the track.
Yeah, indeed. All right,
You'll see it.
will do, folks. We'll see y'all later.